Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I don't really know what I'm bringing to you, I'll be honest. I kind of wanted to name this a get ready with me, but I just did one of those, so I don't want to bore you guys with it. I kind of want to do a makeup tutorial or like an eye look tutorial, but I don't know what to do, so I think I'm just going to kind of jump right in, see what we can figure out, and if you would like to keep on watching, I appreciate it. I want to try out a couple of new things that were just gifted to me. The first thing is this Cover FX like dropper things. I have no idea how to use these. I used them the other day under foundation and they didn't really look like anything. I mean, it did at first, but after like the foundation was on and the bronzer and the blush and the highlight and everything was on, I was like, where's the dropper? So I don't know if you're supposed to use this on top of your foundation. That doesn't seem right. So we're just gonna figure it out together. Ooh. By the way, if my face looks a little bit red, it's because it is. I just finished cleansing it with a makeup wipe because I had oils and all that nasty gunk. So I've cleaned it all up and that's why it looks a little bit rough. So I think what I'm gonna do is start off by priming my face. For that, I'm gonna use the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. I've used this before a million times, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward it now. Okay, then for this thing, let's see. It doesn't really say on the bottle what you're supposed to, or how you're supposed to use this. It does say to shake it before applying it. I'm just gonna apply it to my naked face. I think that you just like do this like the girls on Instagram do. And I'll put it here. Oh god, that is dripping. It's cute, right? I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and I guess blend this in. I have no idea what we're doing. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Okay, now that I look like I've been working in an oil mill, what I'm gonna do is go in with the Sleek Makeup Foundation. This is a life-proof foundation, medium to full coverage, sweat-proof and oil-free. I think this is not my shade. I've had some experiences with shades recently, so I think I'm learning how to, maybe not, but I guess, see when you put it on, like it looks like your shade, but then after it oxidizes, it gets a lot darker, but yeah, I was saying that I'm trying to figure out how to choose my foundation shade. So I don't know, where it's a learning process. So what I thought at one point was my right foundation shade, like I've found out that it's not. I'm just blending this on top of that oil slick thing we have going on. I think I want to try out the ColourPop No Filter concealer again today. This is in the shade Light 10 and I'm pretty sure that this is too light for me, but we're gonna do it anyways. If you didn't watch my ColourPop foundation and concealer and setting powder first impressions video, I will link it up here, I think. Yeah, I think it's gonna be up here, or maybe it's up here, I don't know. You let me know where it's at. Before I set the concealer with powder, I'm gonna go in and put my cream contour. The reason for this is because you don't want to put a cream product on top of a powder product, because then your makeup will look a bit cakey. Next, I'm going to use the bronzer from Pure Cosmetics. I'm going to use that on my favorite bronzer brush, which is the P12 brush from Aesthetica. It's like the only one that I've been using. For blush, I wanted to use the Too Faced Pinch My Peach blush. This is so dark on me, I swear this might as well be a bronzer shade, because this is super dark. So I think what I'm going to do, since I don't have an in-between, is use this this blush from Sonia Kashuk. This is a, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is a brand that is sold at Target. So I know this comes off very, very pink, so what I'm gonna do is go in with a very light fluffy brush. This is from Luxie and it's the 640. I just want like a very light wash of color on my cheeks. Alright, so next I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter setting powder and I'm going to tap this here, and I think, let's see, what brush do I want to use for that. Okay, so I'm going to use the Luxie brush 522 tapered highlighter brush. Maybe this is not the right one to use, but it's the one I'm going to use today. Okay, I'm gonna do my highlight a little bit later. I want to go ahead and jump into the eyes. For the Ojos, I don't know what I want to do. We can either do something peachy or let's see. Do you guys want to see an old palette or a new palette? Ooh, should we try this one out? This is the one from BH Cosmetics, the Blush Neutrals palette. I think I'm gonna start off with this color down here just to give it a base, I guess. Okay, I hope that this is close enough for you guys to be able to see what we're doing. But I'm just taking that shade and I am putting it on my crease, bringing it up quite a bit. I'm just taking that shade and really building it in there. The next shade we're going to use is this one, which is that like blush colored shade, and I'm gonna put that on a brush. This is from Sigma and it's the Tapered Blending E40 brush. It's just like a fluffy little guy, or a fluffy big guy. Now this one I'm gonna build from the base of my eyelid and I'm gonna bring it up. Okay guys, so I really want to intensify the look, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Kathleen Lights palette, and I'm going to go into this, I think I'm going to go into this one first and then this one. This is literally a very simple look. This is all the same color family. It's like maybe, I don't know, 20 shades, but they're all red. I'm sorry, I feel like I started really close to you guys and then now I'm like way back here. This is from Real Her and it's the I Am Loved lip pencil, but I'm gonna put that on my eyelids. So what I'm gonna do is put it really close to the lash line, and then blend it up. I love the way that looks. So I'm gonna put this same lip pencil in my waterline. I think I'm gonna pick up that darker shade, this one right here, and just blend this out a little bit. I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners and probably my brow bone as well. I love the highlight in this palette. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the eyes. All I have to do is put on some lashes and mascara. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlight. For that, I'm gonna go in with this brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 4. And I'm gonna pick up that same highlight from this palette and we're gonna put that on the eyes. On the eyes. On the cheeks. So I'm gonna go in with my Make Me Dewy setting spray by NYX. I'm gonna spray, you guys know how this works. I'm gonna spray my sponge, and then with a wet sponge I'm going to go over the areas where we put any powder. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and I will be back and we will finish off the mascara and the lips. Putting on your eyelashes while the fan is running is literally hard work. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melt and Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Queen Bee, and this is my all-time favorite liquid lipstick to wear when I have this kind of red grungy eye look going on. I feel like it kind of goes just hand in hand. So this is expired too. No, it's not. Okay guys, that completes this look for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will link every item that I use in the description box below. But yeah, anyways, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and all my social media situations. I'll link them all in the description box as well. And as always, you know the line. If you stayed until the end, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you next time. Bye!